Good morning, this is Assistant Coach Fatal with the Attack Gym in Huru, Kipora. Huru is a Swahili term that means the way of freedom, and Kipora is the correct name for what was called capoeira, mispronounced capoeira, by Rafael Bluto in the year 1712. I'm still out here in the garden and getting ready to get my Siempre Vida to make my tea. I also read my comments today, and one of the comments I had was to make sure there's no bacteria and stuff in my tea. I can also put a mirror under it to make sure it gets lots of sunlight and make sure it's all good. And I really like that comment. In fact, I'm gonna do my best to apply it, as well as, you know what, I think I'm just gonna boil it just to make sure I don't have no issues with all that stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna keep you updated on the next video.